So this is just a quick demo of the combined capabilities of PSI and Fusion. We're going to use PSI to automatically process front-end pharmacy orders, extract data, run database lookups, and then we're going to pass it into a web-based queue so that, in this case, pharmacy users can go ahead and look at the information that's collected, verify it's correct, enter any notes, and then submit the order to the back end, which could be a pharmacy system, could be Microsoft SharePoint, or any of the other systems that we support. So just to give you an overview, this is a standard pharmacy order. If we go ahead and zoom in, you can see that there's a barcode that has patient ID information. Now what's going to happen when I drop this into a processing folder, it's going to simulate a nurse walking up, scanning the order. It goes into a drop folder. PSI is going to pick it up, extract data, run lookups to the patient information system, and then route it into a Fusion queue. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and copy this drop folder. And you can see here that I've got a processing folder. In this particular example, all the copiers are linked into these particular drop folders. This is the nursing pod, and then they have the option of designating on the MFP panel what type of order it is, whether it's a regular or a stat order. We're going to drop in this pharmacy routing batch. Now it's going to take a while for PSI to process and then pass the documents to Fusion. But here's the Fusion interface, web-based, thin client. The pharmacy user can come and log in, and in this case, just got a user called Pharma. And we'll go ahead and log in. When the user logs in, they can see all the documents that have been routed to them by that front-end process. Okay, now you can see that we automatically populated some fields. So we threw in patient ID, we looked up the last name, it's got the order date and the urgency. We have the ability to come in and put in some notes. So I don't know, this is a good order. Once I'm done with this, I can tab through my fields, click save, and it goes right to the next document. So tab through, maybe this is a bad order. Tab through, click save, and you can see I can quickly get through my orders, verify that all the information is correct. Click save, and I'm to my last document. Now these fields in Fusion can be database lookup fields, they can be drop-down lists, number of ways to populate these. Okay, so the nice thing about Fusion as well is that while that back-end process can be feeding these folks documents, users also have the ability to route themselves documents. So let's say that this particular person in the pharmacy gets, I don't know, 5 faxed orders, and they have the paper, and they want to go ahead and scan them to themselves. Each user in Fusion has their own routing code. They can come in, print routing sheets, slap them on top of their documents, scan them, come back, refresh their queue, and in this case here are the other documents that I plopped in the processing queue. So it's a great way to just route documents to different users. And just to give you, this is a very brief overview, Fusion can be fairly complex. So in this example, we've also got the ability to have supervisors. Now supervisors in Fusion typically won't have any documents in their queue, but they've got this little icon. That's what I like to call the Big Brother icon. So they can log in, they can route documents to other people that are on their team, their supervisory team. They have the ability to manage their team, and they also have the ability to manage their team's queues. So let's say that this person went home sick, they've got 5 queued documents in their queue. The pharmacy supervisor can actually open the queue. They can do the indexing of the processing, or they can assign it to other team members. So it's a very flexible product. You've got a lot of management capabilities in there. and just an overall great, easy way to index documents and route them to back-end repositories. That's an overview of Fusion and SciCapture.